you working for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Are you working for Jesus? Yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah. Sure do your best. Are you a preacher for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Are you a preacher for Jesus? Yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah. Sure do your best. Are you working for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Sure ought to do your best. Are you working for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Are you a preacher for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Sure ought to do your best. Are you a usher for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Yeah, yeah. Peter and John was on their way up to the temple one day. There was a lame man by the gates, so beautiful, never had walked before. Peter told, silver and gold have I none, such as I have I give to thee. In Jesus Christ from Nazareth, he said, rise up, you can walk. So if you're working for Jesus, sure ought to do your best. Sure ought to do your best. Are you working for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Are you a deacon for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Sure ought to do your best. Are you a preacher for Jesus? Sure ought to do your best. Yeah, yeah. You better working for Jesus. You better work just like Noah, working for Jesus. You better work as like Jonah, working for Jesus. You better work, yeah, yeah, working for Jesus. You better work, oh, you a preacher, working for Jesus. You better work, oh, you a deacon, working for Jesus. You better work, oh, you a worship, working for Jesus. You better work, come on and work, working for Jesus. You better work, oh, you in the choir, working for Jesus. You better work, oh, you a praise dance, working for Jesus. You better work, oh, you a praise sing, working for Jesus. You better work, yeah, yeah, working for Jesus. Jesus watching you. Jesus, everything you do. Jesus watching, hey, Jesus watching you. Yes, he is. Jesus watching, hey, every